In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Dropbox files effectively. This process makes it easier to manage your files and can significantly streamline your workflow. So let's get started on organizing your Dropbox space like a pro. First, you'll want to navigate to Dropbox.com using your web browser. Once the web page loads, you'll need to log into your existing account. Make sure to have your credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your data securely. Logging in should only take a few moments, and once inside, you'll arrive at your Dropbox dashboard. This is your home base for managing all your stored files and folders. Now, the first task is to create a new folder. This folder will act as a container where you can organize your files more efficiently. On the dashboard, look for an option that allows you to create a new folder, usually located in a toolbar or menu. Click on this option and you'll be prompted to name your new folder. Choose a descriptive name that relates to the type of files you intend to store there, as this can save you time and energy later when you are searching for specific content. With your folder created, the next step involves moving your files into this newly made folder. Head over to the section where all your current files are listed. Take a moment to review them, choosing those that you want to relocate to your new folder. It's a good opportunity to reassess and organize what files are important to you. To proceed with moving your chosen files, select them by checking the checkbox next to each file. With your files selected, locate the icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, and click on it. This will open a list of actions you can perform. Choose the Move option from this list. At this point, a new window or menu will appear, presenting you with a list of your existing folders, including the one you just created. Simply select the folder you want to move your files into by clicking on it. Then you'll need to confirm your choice by clicking the Move button, which will be prominently displayed. This command tells Dropbox to relocate the selected files into your specified folder. And with that, you've successfully organized your Dropbox storage by creating a folder and filling it with your desired files. Remember, organizing your files not only helps keep your workspace tidy, but also improves efficiency in retrieving data when needed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your digital life just a little bit easier. Until next time, keep everything orderly and happy organizing.